Welcome. I'm Dr. Sara Rutledge, Professor of Education at Mount Aloysius College. I'm coming to you from my home office, and my 1-minute lecture topic is Indoor Physical Education for Kids, Social Distancing During the Coronavirus Pandemic. This semester, I am teaching EDUC 290, Health, Nutrition, Safety, and Physical Education in the Classroom. This course prepares pre-service teachers to integrate health and wellness practices into their early childhood and elementary classrooms. In this unprecedented time in American education, with students learning at home, teachers are able to share a plethora of online resources with family members to keep students active inside. Outdoor physical activities and play are essential for children, but in this 1-minute lecture, I'm going to share with you some fabulous resources for keeping kids active inside during the COVID-19 pandemic. As I'm recording this video, it's a chilly 30-degree day here in Western Pennsylvania, so most of our kids will not be playing outside today. As a parent and educator, my first recommendation is to start with a YouTube resource. PE with Joe is my #1 recommendation at this time. Joe Wicks posts daily workout videos for kids, which are fabulous. Other free awesome options on YouTube include Just Dance videos, the Baby Shark Ab Challenge, Family Fun Cardio, Zumba dance videos, plank challenges, Frozen movie yoga, and yoga animal moves for kids. My second recommendation is Go Noodle. Go Noodle is an action-packed website with free access for families at this time. It is loaded with active screen time activities such as dance parties, yoga sessions, USTA tennis workouts, and Zumba Kids. My third recommendation is the NFL Play 60 website at nfl.com/play60. This is also a great resource at this time as they have an entire page devoted to family activities, including a virtual field trip where kids can follow along with NFL players as they get the blood pumping with fun physical activities. A fourth recommendation for young children is the Sesame Street website. At sesamestreet.org/toolkits/healthy habits, parents and teachers can find tip sheets, activities, and workout videos with Grover. In addition, Sesame Street and Headspace teamed up this week to produce new videos for kids called Monster Meditation with Cookie Monster. You can also find these on the Sesame Street YouTube channel. As a college professor, I always recommend to my pre-service teachers using professional organization websites as content resources for their teaching and communication with families. The industry standards at this time include Shape America, which is the Society of Health and Physical Educators at shapeamerica.org. Movingminds.com includes articles on daily brain breaks that you can do at home, social distancing and physical activity, and how to keep kids active at home. My Plate Kids Place at choosemyplate.gov includes games, printable activity and coloring sheets, activity sheets, videos and songs, family-friendly recipe ideas, healthy eating on a budget, and an overall great resource library. For mindfulness activities, my go-to resources are mindful.org and childmind.org, both of which include mindful activities at home. In regards to brain breaks, some helpful resources are the Kara Tidwell Brain Breaks on YouTube, teachtrainlove.com, brainbreaks.blogspot.com, and the website Minds in Bloom. Most of these websites and blogs also included adaptations and modifications for children with a variety of abilities. Lastly, teachers and families can utilize other indoor activities such as breaking out that old Wii Fit, stacking cups, charades, balloon games, hallway bowling, movement songs, tape line games, hopscotch, sack races, twister, Simon Says, freeze dance, jumping rope, scavenger hunts, obstacle courses, indoor soft sport games, homemade mini golf, animal races, and hula hoop activities. Thanks for tuning in and have a healthy day.